Hello everybody. In these exercises we're going to show you a few examples of how intersections of secants and tangents, how can we use those to solve for angle measures. Okay, for number one, we're to find the measure of angle 1, and if two secants are intersecting a circle, it's the sum of those two intercepted arcs divided by 2 will tell us the angle 1. So if we have 40 plus 52 divided by 2, it's going to give us 46 degrees, and that is the measure of angle 1. Okay, the measure of angle 2, that is right on the circle, so all we got to do is take the 92 degrees and divide it by 2. That gives us 46. Okay, for angle 3, here we have a secant and a tangent, and where they intercept is the angles formed is 1/2 of the arc. So all we need to do is take 220 divided by 2, and the measure of angle 3 then is 110 degrees. Okay, number 4. Okay, we have 90 degrees here. We're trying to find the measure of angle 4. This intercepted arc right here, given this tangent and this secant, we know this would be half of 120, so this is 60. Has to add up to 90, so the measure of angle 4 is 30 degrees. Okay, and then we have measure of angle 5. Well, first we need to find this angle right here, right next to 5. It's a linear pair with 5. Let's call that angle x. And x can be found by summing the two intercepted arc and dividing by 2. 130 plus 90, and we're going to divide it by 2. Okay, and that gives us 110. Okay, 110 is x, and that makes a linear pair, so the measure of angle 5 then would be 70 degrees. Okay, and then lastly we come to 6. We've got to find the measure of angle 6 here. Okay, we know this arc right here is 160. 360 minus 160 is 200. We know this whole arc is 200, and then we simply take half of that. The measure of angle 6 is 100 degrees. And there we are.